bleed, if not the bleeding edge, at the cutting edge. Okay? Please do not let it go. Yeah? So, at all points in time, irrespective of whatever challenges face you, okay, irrespective of whatever problems you all face, yeah, remember, technology, bleeding edge, cutting edge, yeah, not the run of the mill. Do not copy, yeah, it's not worth it, okay, bleeding edge, cutting edge, think different, read, see things that are different from what you are used to seeing. Do things that you have never done before, okay, so that it increases your horizon, your thoughts, okay, just like somebody has said just now, Rohini said, okay, right from capital markets to art, it's all a question of doing it, feeling it, okay, and please do everything with passion, okay. With this, I'm not going to say too much more. Remember, this journey has not been done by me alone, it's done with all of you. Yeah, and I'm grateful to all of you. Okay. Stay well.
Anything Shubha would like to say?
Nothing, sir. I will only say all the best, sir. I'm happy with that.
Thank you. I'm going to ask all of you for help sometime or the other for something. So just bear up with me.
Anybody else?
I would like to say. So when I came to this office, sir told me that you have come from private sector, you will need some finish in this sector. So I also like the kind of words he used to say, to keep wow factor, to keep passion alive, to keep aggression, to keep emotion at, your times, how to manage people, how to manage vendors. And always used to say whatever you have to do with a wow factor. So we assure you, sir, everything will be done with a wow factor always.
That's it. All of you. That's what you have to do. Everyone must say wow to you. Okay? Not oh, he's doing the same job.
Yeah, I just want to say, sir, from the very beginning, sir was there in my interview panel also. I have been with him associated continuously in the initial period, and that initial training which was given across all the teams and the way, agile way which we used to function, and the discussion and collaboration which used to happen, because of that also was a factor for this innovation in those earlier period.
Correct.
And now that again we have got it adopted to it. Thank you very much.
Collaborate, please. Okay? You don't work in silos. You have to work together. And you have to beat the odds. Okay? Please remember that.
So just two memories to share. One is when I was in e-stamping, the initial years were very, very difficult. And I still remember the first 1 crore that we had collected from Gujarat and Karnataka. You had come and told me, celebrate. And I looked up at you and said, celebrate what? With the 80 crore custody income, 1 crore e-stamping is not going to be seen by anyone anywhere. You said, no, that's not the right way. Unless all the people in Mittalkot know that there is a product called e-stamping, it will not get the recognition it deserves. So start off small, it will grow big, and your words have come true. The second thought is slightly different. Each and every inauguration that we used to have for e-stamping, the governments used to insist on printing the certificate. The internet used to be government internet. There used to be limitations, and the challenges that would come up on those occasions, only those of us who were present have experienced. We would always turn around and smile and say, fine, as usual we have done it, it's got printed. The last thought, sir, at least one of the IGRs had very pointedly asked me, why have you come? So I said, I'm heading e-stamping in stockholding, and since you called for a meeting, I'm attending it. No, where is the other gentleman? So I thought he's referring to the regional manager. I said, so and so is not available today, therefore I have come. No, I'm not talking of that person. I'm talking of the tall Parsi gentleman who comes from Bombay. That's when I was able to connect. They relate to e-stamping with you and with stockholding. Thank you, sir, for all that you have done. All the very best.
Thank you. If you remember, I told you the same thing when we reach gold.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Now we are there.
Okay, so please, every small step is a success. Success breeds success. Okay, that's what Chandrasekharan has told us. That's what he had taught us. Okay, everything begins small. Okay, Rome was not built in one day, as much as we dream of it being built in one day. okay, but it will become big. Okay, so irrespective, each one of our products has got huge potential. All we have to do is to go out in the market and tap it. Yeah, so please follow it and follow it with your heart, follow it with a passion, get it done. Okay, that's the most important.
Anybody else?
Yeah, I just like to mention the impact that Mr. Mewala had in my life. Actually, we had joined stockholding in 1992 as management trainee, and the senior executives of stockholding used to come for making their presentations. The one presentation that stood out for all of us, and all of us were unanimous, was Mr. Mewala's presentation. And that's the time we heard success breeds success. After I joined the office, I was a management trainee and he was heading operations. So, the gap was too large. So I was not directly reporting to him, but I was observing him because I was sitting just outside his cabin. And the way he was communicating, the way he was dressing, it has all had, in a way, subconsciously it has had an impact on me. So thank you very much, sir, for that. And your aesthetic sense is really great, and the way you have designed Centerpoint and Mape, we are all going to enjoy it for a long
Yes.
period of time. Thank
Just
you very
maintain
much.
it. Admin department, most important, okay? I've laid all of ground rules for you. Don't forget it.
Minimum 40 years.
Yes, that's right. Minimum 40 years.
60 years is what
The life of Mape is.
Mape is 60 years minimum.
And sir, you have got a wonderful life partner in Miss Ashwira madam. Likewise, she has got a very good hubby in you, and all the best for you.
Thank you very, very much.
Anything Sanjay you would like to say?
Well, it's like showing a lamb to a son when it comes to, all of you have shared your experiences. Most of you have been absolutely lucky to have the institution along with you throughout your career. I would rather place myself slightly above any one of you because you got the normal course, I got the crash course in 1.5 years. So whatever he could download and whatever I could update or upload, that both of us managed with each other for initial 1.5 years. But few things which I never expected that could be used or that can be used in the professional life and which will continue to be there with me is it's a very common word that all of us use, but not in the office. Is calling your colleague or a junior as a buddy. Okay, that has always stuck me. And the first time when he called me, I was looking here and there. Who is he referring to? So there are a lot of other things which time may not really permit us to share all those things. Though I have spent almost 5.5 years, but God has been kind enough. Though I moved from this company to that company, from this office to that office, and somehow physically and mentally he also moved along in the same office. So we've always been there, and though we were not working together after 1.5 years time, but the constant consultations, constant advice, be it on the sales front, be it on the operations front, be it on the compliance front, be it on the IT front, he has always been there. And whenever his phone used to ring, like "Abhi kya reh gaya hai," right? So it's like constantly he used to keep us, rather me, on the toes. So I really liked it and would continue to appreciate throughout my official career. So I don't think I should be able to speak more. It will only be a demeaning the English language and eating up into everybody's time. So my heartfelt congratulations, and I wish you all the best for the second inning that you will start from now on.
Thank you.
And we wish all the health, success in your life, and any point in time of any small help which we can be of you, please do remember us. We'll always be there. And I'm sure, I'm not saying that you'll be with us,
Best thing you
because
don't
you'll
know.
always be there with us. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
For you, please do your discount broking. I've been after you for very, very long.
Sure.
Okay, I was there in your board meeting where you have been saying, yes, I'll do it. Okay, but it really needs to get done. Okay,
Sure.
so please, that's going to be a real big thing. Everyone's gone onto the net now because of the pandemic, and discount broking is your way to succeed.
Sure.
Yeah, so please, that's very important.
Anything Meena would like to say?
Sir, for me, my life started with Umesh and Mr. Mewawala, and I think I'm ending also again with them. I was again at the end of Umesh. The maximum of my career I spent with these two guys, and it was initially it was more of a professional relation. And now we have become part of each other actually. As Umesh said, even if we look at each other, we know what we want to say. I would like to just give one incident which remained with me. I had joined, I was hardly 19 when I joined, and I used to travel from Mulund to Nariman Point. That was my first time traveling so far because I was in Mulund College and it was like a home for me. And one day while working, I didn't realize it was 8 o'clock because for females it was 12-hour duty. 9 to 9 is to work, and for guys, as he said, 12 o'clock only they can leave. So when I wanted to leave, there was nobody with me, and I was in tears because I didn't know how to travel without bus from Nariman Point to meeting. So he got up from his seat, he heard somebody telling him, Nina is crying. He came, he asked what happened. I said, I want to go to VT station, I don't know how to go. He came down with me, he took out his car, he dropped me at station and came back. I was really, really touched. After that, no looking back, I learned everything in my life. So, one poem I would like to share, sir. Marathi, it is Marathi, excuse me for that, but I, when everybody was talking, I thought of that poem. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. The giver keeps on giving, the taker always takes. घेता घेता एक दिवस, लेते लेते एक दिन आप ये सीखो, घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हातच घ्यावे. So I would request everybody to copy his attitude. Take his attitude of giving. He has always given and we are always receivers. So now when he goes, we have to learn to give. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
That's another thing Brother Singh taught me, which I'm going to leave with all of you. It does not matter who from Shil goes where. Okay, they will first always remember Shil. So that is the most important thing. And the second is they carry with you the knowledge that you have given them. And when that knowledge goes out, they can do wonders for you in their own way. Okay, to better the industry that you have been in. So don't bother if people leave you. Okay, wish them good luck. And they will help the industry grow and they'll help stockholding grow. I think I followed that, and I think most of my people are all over the world in custody, and I'm very happy for all of them. So
No, in fact, we have followed that all through.
Correct.
Chandrasekharan used to very strictly follow that, and he used to say that if anybody has decided to resign, please tell them not to be there in the organization for even 1 minute, because he's not mentally there. There's no point in being there. Please bless him. He will carry, as you said, all the good things, and he'll be your ambassador. And that, it's true. I was last time when I went on official trip to Singapore, I could see that a couple of people, they came and hosted lunch for us, and they said that nice to see you, sir, coming from stockholding. That's the type of relationship which we have in people who have left us also. We have always been good to even people who have left and who have gone from us. And it's one of the good value system we have always followed, and I trust that we should follow that and continue this forever.
Yes, Sabla, anything you wish to say?
I like to say that for 32 years, so you have kept the flock together. Okay, however, wherever people stray, you manage to get them back. So we want to follow that and ensure that we succeed in whatever we do. Sorry, my voice. All the best, sir.
good luck. There's no question of straying, okay? Everyone must go on the narrow, the straight and the narrow. Okay, if only all of us run in one direction, will the chariot run in one direction? Okay, it's left all of, that's why I said please don't work in silos, because when you are working in silos, you'll pull in different directions. Okay, one direction for all. Yeah? Don't forget that the chariot has to move forward on the bleeding edge, if not the cutting edge. Okay?
Last and final call. Please feel free. I honestly didn't want to have such a large gathering because of the pandemic. However, his popularity has encouraged people to take risk and come to the office. So I'm grateful to everyone who is present here. I'm also grateful to all the people who have not come. They wanted to come, but they maintained the discipline of following the rule and they have not come. On behalf of all our colleagues and the entire Shill family, in town and outside town and all over the country, on their behalf, I wish Mr. Mewala a very eventful, fruitful journey ahead, which good health, wealth, prosperity. More important, the best thing is yet to come. So life is exciting. You can achieve things which you always wanted to do other than what you wish to do at stockholding. So there is a brighter side of life and living, and I wish you all the very best. I am the lucky one because my senior management team was always dependable, and I just had to express my desire, not even give an instruction or an order, just express a desire. And most of the time I followed a consultative approach and consultative approach, and best ideas were always followed at stockholding, and we always had a dependable, trustworthy, gold standard person in Mr. Mewala. And I used to jokingly tell him, if I want a car, you would always recommend a Mercedes Benz, which I can't. I said, Char Paiya, Maruti will also take me from point A to point B. But his vision is long term. Like he says, 50 years, 100 years. So his vision is long term, which is very, very good for an organization. Strategically, tactically, you can think short term, but long term vision is always good for the organization. And he carried a long term vision for the organization. I'm thankful and grateful for all the support, the passion with which he executed most of the work. And